Hey, what's happening, my friends? Paul Ingram here with Kali Center. Today, we're gonna be working one of my favorite areas of Kali, which is the ESPADA Y DAGA. So, if you have a training bolo, go ahead and grab it, and you can use it for today's training. If you do not have a training bolo, that's okay. Grab a Kali stick. If you don't have one of these, make sure to head over to KaliCenter.com and check out our store and go order yourself a pair or two of rattan sticks. Now, once you have your stick and you have your training bolo, either one, make sure you got some sort of training knife, because that is what ESPADA Y DAGA is. One long and one short. Let's get to the training. Before we get going, do me a quick favor. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. So click that subscribe button right now, hit the thumbs up button, and comment below. Do you enjoy training the ESPADA Y DAGA? Can you take it? Do you rather leave it? What do you think about this area of Kali? Let's go through the actual hand motions that we're gonna work, and then we can go ahead and incorporate it with some footwork. Now, if you want the full tutorial, the full online Kali class that I made on this exact drill on the ESPADA Y DAGA, the whole progression, the building blocks, the whole thing, and more of my online Kali classes, in fact, all of my online Kali classes, make sure to visit that first link in the description below and join my Kali classes for just $3 a month or $30 for the year. Let's go ahead and take a look at it here. We're starting off in our classic chamber position. We're gonna strike our number one, and we're gonna come over the top of the daga, strike our angle 2, and then we're gonna fire out this thrust. We're gonna come up on the angle 3 and up on the angle 4. Then we're gonna go low jab or thrust, and then a high jab or thrust. Let's take a look at that from the other side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then low and high, just like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 movements total. All right, let's do a couple reps, like 2 reps together, nice and slow. Follow me, follow the movements. Right there, and one more time, let's smoothen it out. Boom. And right there. So once you have that down, right, then you can go ahead and start to flow it out. But let's get to coordinating these weapon movements with some basic footwork. One of the most neglected areas of Kali training, in my personal experience, training with many different teachers across many different styles, going to classes and seminars and camps and all kinds of things over the years, is everybody teaches the footwork and everybody teaches the weapons, but very few people actually teach how to put the two together. So let's try this drill. It might be a little bit advanced. If it is, check out my classes, and then just find the first ESPADA Y DAGA class, and we literally work this, break it down step by step, plus some other things. So from here, we're going to step and strike with our number 1. We're gonna pass through step with the daga, strike the 2, and thrust. We're gonna pass through step again, strike the 3, strike the 4. Then we're gonna pass through one more time, low and high right there. Then we're gonna reverse it. We're gonna step back, strike the 1, step back again, there's the daga, strike the 2, and thrust. Step back again with that pass through, 3, 4, and pop, pop right there. All right, let's take a look at it from another angle, nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, facing this way. Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right there. Let's move around with it, nice and easy. Just get a few reps in. You can start playing around and put a few different variations, moving forward, moving back. Basically, with the ESPADA, for the most part, the right leg is forward. And with the daga, for the most part, the left leg is forward. Just for this basic drill today. All right, get out there, go try it, go have fun, sync it all up. And again, if you want to get that full instruction, join my online Kali classes for just $3 a month or $30 for the year. Hit that first link in the description below. Check out our training gear. If you need any gear over at our store, also at KaliCenter.com. I'll see you guys back here next time.